Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by locating the locked PDF and confirming the password, because without it, removal is not lawful or possible. Open a trusted PDF app or file manager that supports decryption, then navigate to the file. Once done, make sure to back up the original to cloud or local storage. This protects you if anything goes wrong. You're starting now, so don't linger on settings. Enable storage permissions if prompted and proceed to open the PDF using the app's import or open function. You'll now enter the password to decrypt the document. Type it carefully, because repeated failures can lock some services. After the file opens, look for menu options labeled Remove Password, Save As, or Export. These create a new copy without security. When exporting, choose the output quality and file name. This preserves the unlocked copy separately. Make sure to verify permissions or security settings in the export dialog, so the new PDF does not carry over restrictions or passwords. Finish by opening the exported file to confirm it no longer asks for a password. Try copying text or printing to validate permissions. If the unlocked copy looks good, you can overwrite the original or keep both versions. I recommend keeping a backup at least until you're certain. If you hit errors, try a different reputable app or re-enter the password carefully, and then restore the backup if needed. One tip: if export options are grayed out, update the app or use a different file manager to retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.